everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Harshdeep. If you're new here, please subscribe. So I finally started my day with cleaning. I cleaned my living room first because I know cleanliness and study environment matters a lot when you sit to study. The book that you just saw over my bed, it's all about everyday greatness and it talks about integrity, dignity and courage. The very next thing I did was exercising so that I get to spend a very good day ahead. I know it's very difficult, you're very lazy, we procrastinate a lot, but in case you're not able to move your body, please take some motivation from here and start working out. And of course, the last thing would be cleaning my study table because why not? It's always a mess before I sit to study. I wanted to have a change in my study area because I was really bored sitting on that same table and chair every day with my laptop and books over it. So I took everything down and I sat down with my mini study table with all the required materials that I needed. In case guys you are new here, let me tell you I am pursuing Bachelor's of Business Administration from MET Online Noida and I am in my second year now. And if you don't know what is BBA all about, it's all about the management of a business company or an organization, and here we are taught about the skills and the in-depth knowledge of a business world and how the various aspects of a business runs inside it as well. So if you take an interest in it, it is a very good subject to learn. In case you guys are wondering which subject I'm studying right now, it's all about research methods for managers and it teaches us the systematic process in which the projects can be described, conducted, explained for a particular phenomenon of interest, and it also gives you practical knowledge and skills to understand how the research projects are actually carried out. And apart from that, it formulates and helps us to form logical plan for data analysis. Again, it will definitely help you with the interpretation of research findings and how to draw appropriate conclusion from a particular project if you are working on some. Other than this subject is really very deep and it's very useful for whoever is trying to become a manager, so it's a good thing to go with. And after completing my studies, I went for a walk outside to relax my mind because too much study is also dangerous for health. And this is the end of the vlog here. If you are new here, please subscribe and until next time, bye.